Bye. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial on Python, and today's topic is what all various methods are there by which we can reverse a string. So I found six methods by which we can reverse a string in Python. So let's get started and let's go through each and every method. So I open a Jupyter notebook and I'm going to create a new notebook here. So you can also practice with me on each and every method. It would be really good if you can practice along with this on your Jupyter notebook or any Python editor which you have, and we can learn various ways to reverse a string. So I'm going to create a new Python file which is name is reverse string program. So it is a reverse a string. Okay, so let's quickly say 6 ways to reverse a string. Okay, let's create a string. So I take a string as a day, and I would say it is a Sunday, let's say. Right, this is the string which I'm taking, and so method first, how we can reverse this string. So I would say my first method is, so let's use the slicing. So slicing is my first method which I will use to reverse a string. So let's see like how the slicing can be used to reverse a string. So what we need to do is I'm just going to print, so print, and I will use the slicing in the reverse method. So day, and use this bracket, and then so you know like how to traverse a string using this method. So in the reverse way, so we will use colon colon and -1. If you use the colon colon -1, so this says that what is my order. So it is going to say here I'm not giving any start or end, I'm just keeping it blank. It means it is going to traverse through the entire string, but it is going to print this string in the reverse order, right? So use this, and let's say what is the output. So I'm going to execute this file. So you see there is a run button here. You can use this, or otherwise in your laptop or computer you can press shift and enter. So I click on run. So you can see now this string got printed in the reverse order, right? So this is the method 1 by which we can reverse a string using slicing method. Okay, so what is the another method? So another method is going to be, let's say if somebody asks how you can reverse a string using for loop. So now let's explore how we can reverse string using for loop. So you know, whenever we traverse a string, uh, apply a for loop, it is going to print each and every character. So I'm going to create a for, I says for character in day, right? And let's print what it print this. So I says print a character. You see it is going to print SUNDAY. Each and every character is getting printed here. So what I can do, I will do is we will take a variable. So let's say I take a temp variable here, which is an empty variable, and I'm going to append each and every character here in the temp variable. So I say temp equal to, and temp, and let's add this. So what is my this one? character. So this is my chr first character, right? So what this is going to do is this is going to append. So this is going to append all the characters in reverse order. I'm just putting some comments here so that it would be very easy for you to follow. So I am appending this in the temp variable, and I'm just going to print this temp variable here, and let's see what it print. You see here, this is going to print the Sunday. So this is not the, it is not printing in the reverse order. Why? You know what is the problem? Because if you need to print this, you just need to reverse the order for this. So it will be char and plus temp. Wow, see the magic? So this is the way. So temp, and you are going to append this character, and then plus temp you do, and this is going to reverse it. So this is YADNUS, it reverts the string. So I will put this as a method 2. Now let's see, let's explore another method. So what is my method 3? So method 3 will be, how about using a while loop? Is there a way by which we can reverse a string using while loop? So let's explore. So I will so first we need to see how we apply the while loop. So while loop is something where it will keep executing until the condition is met. So how I can give a condition for this day? But you know, like whenever we are traversing in the for loop, we are traversing through this, it is going to print each and every character, right? Now in the while loop, we need to give a condition that what is the condition on which my while loop is going to end. So what I'm going to do is let's find it out the length. So I'm going to find the length of the day. So I would say, what is the length for the day? So it is a len is the function by which we can find the length, and what is my day? So this is length day, and it will be -1. So this is the length, and I'm going to apply this while loop, and I would say execute this while loop until my length is greater than equal to 0, right? And I'm going to traverse each and every element, and let's create a temp variable similar to the upper method number 2, and now you found it out. So it's the same method, use the temp equal to, and then so when you are traversing, what we are doing here is we are giving a position that, okay, go to the length, then it is going to decrease one by one. So this time I'm going to put it in this order. So it is temp equal to temp plus, and it is a day, which I already have, and what is my current position? So I says my current position is what, length. So put the length here, right? So I'm going to traverse and assign that variable, keep appending in the temp variable whatever value comes, and now I will give a iterator, which is like how to, whether it is to decrease or increase. So here we are going to decrease the value of length equal to length -1. So it is going to decrease. So, and at the end, let's just print our temp variable. So you see this, so this string got reversed. So this is our method number 3 by which we can reverse a string. Let's go through method number 4. So our method number 4 is using a reverse method in the list. So list has a reverse method. So is there a way like we can apply the reverse method? See, string does not have any reverse method. That's why we need to find different avenues to reverse the string, because it does not have any reverse method. So what we need to do, is there a is there a way by which in the list, using the list, can we reverse it? Yes. So let's try how to using list. And list has a method which is called reverse method is there in the list. So we will use that reverse method of the list to do the reverse. So how we can do this? So I will take the same variable here, day. So let me put it here. So this is my day, and let's apply reverse method. So I will create a temp list. I will take a variable temp list equal to, and I will convert this string. Sorry, I will convert this string into, oops, yeah, I will convert this string into the list. And how I can convert a string into the list? It is list function. So if you apply list and a day, the variable name, string variable name, if you pass, and it is going to print this, this is going to convert in the list. So let's say if you want to verify whether it got converted in the list or not, so it is a temp list I'm going to use. You see this in the bracket, and this one got converted into the list. So now how we can reverse a list, because temp underscore list is a list now. So let's reverse list. So the method is going to be, so it's a temp list dot reverse method, reverse, reverse, right? So this is my reverse method which I will use. But you see, if I use this reverse method, it is going to reverse the list and it is going to return the list. But we need to convert this list into a string. So how we can convert this list into the string? So we can convert this using our join method. So I will say join this, join, and join this use, okay, so this, so it is using this, I'm saying the join this without any space. So I'm removing the space and I say join each and every character. So you see this got reverse. So my entire string got reverse. So this is our method number 4. Now let's go ahead and see, is there any other method? Yes, we can reverse a string using recursion. So how we can apply recursion to reverse this string? So let's explore recursion now. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit tricky, but let's see how we can write a recursion here. So for this, let's create a function. So I will say my function is reverse reverse using recursion, and I'm going to pass a string, which is my string is a str is my string. And then whenever we apply recursion, we need to give a stop condition. Then when my recursion is going to stop, so I would say if my length, each and every character we are going to iterate using the recursion. So if my length for the string str is equal to 0, then I would say return this to the function. So I would say return my str, right? Otherwise I am just going to call this method again. So it is reverse string. So it's a reverse underscore recursion method I'm going to call, and inside this what we need to do here is we need to use our uh, slicing, the string slicing method. So which will be like 1:0, and I say add this with the str. This is a 0, right? And then it is going to return it. Okay, return this. So I'm going to iterate each and every character here and adding that with the next one. So I'm adding this, and then I say I think yeah, this one is wrong, so here it will be the 0 and return, yeah. And what we need to do is now let's call this function. So how we can call this function? We can call this function using, I say, print. I'm going to call the recursion method, and I'm going to pass a string, let's say Sunday, right? So I'm going to pass this and execute. Okay, what is the error? It says invalid syntax, print is incorrect, something here. Very interesting. Return a recursion, this is good. Okay, this is, I think we forgot to put a closing bracket here. Yes, so now I'm going to pass this. Okay, what happened? Is there any error? So it says max recursion depth exceeded. Okay, max recursion depth exceeded, so looks like there is a problem here. Oh, I think this is the incorrect condition, so we just need to take the first element. This is the problem. So I remove this. So let's see, maximum. Okay, where is the problem? Okay, so this is so it says recursion, but I'm adding, oh, this is okay. Oh, so I'm okay. So inside this function, we are going to pass each and every character and then going to append it. Yes, that's right. Yeah. So you see this as printed as YADNUS. So this is the another method which we learned today. So now, is there any another method? Yes, there is one more method by which we can reverse a string. It is called reversed method. There is a reversed method is there. Using that method, we can reverse the string. So what is my string? So again, let's take day equal to Sunday. So I will create a return string. So I would say reverse a string or reverse a string equal to, using the reverse method, we will say it is so this is the join, and then okay, before this let's see how we can apply the reverse method, right? So it is print, I would say reversed. So this is reversed, and str. So type is not reversible, yes, because this is the method which is going to return. Because this is the method which is going to return the string. So here I say reverse string. Let's see what it return now. Looks like there is something wrong in this. Okay, what is wrong? So this is re reverse. REVERSED. So, oh, sorry. I think we put a wrong variable. So this is day, right? So this is the day. Now it return the object. Right? So this return the object, and again, what we need to do here is use the join method. So this is dot join. You see here. So this is how we can reverse it. So it is again reversed, which is going to return a character, and all those list of characters needs to be appended using the without a space. So we are joining this and printing this. So this is how we can reverse a string. So see friends, how easy it is to reverse a string, and there are various methods are available by which we can reverse a string. So these are really very good. And in case if you want to find like what is the best way to return the reverse the string, it is a slicing method. You see, this is, you just use this and automatically just start printing the string in the reverse order, and we can reverse the string easily without use. So we do not need to apply any for loop, while loop, or any other method. So this is very easy to reverse, and the time complexity for this is also very less. It is really very good. So hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. And in case if you have any questions, in case if you find any new way to reverse a string, please do not forget to put it in the comment section. I would love to read your comments, input, various suggestions, and in case if you have different ways, please do not forget to share with me and with our audience. So thank you so much friends, hope you like this video. We'll see you in another video. Thank you, have a good day.